Hello YouTube. So today I'm gonna be building this gecko. It's a Lego gecko and it's by Disney from Frozen 2. It's 96 pieces. It's a 6 and up Lego set. So this is basically like the Mixel's Lego set. And if you don't know what a Mixel is, this is what a Mixel is. Basically, these monsters that have powers. So now I'm gonna start building this. Let's just open this real quick. Now there's one bag. Second bag, the instructions. Next, I'm gonna build it. So let me open this. This is the instruction book. And that's Disney. Wait. I never opened one of these types of Legos. I've only opened those types. So you're saying it doesn't have the regular figure in it. Huh? Like a regular figure is supposed to look like this. But okay, let's just build it. Who cares? Time to open the bags to make the gecko. There's the pieces, so we're gonna find each piece. Okay, that's the first step. Next is these parts. So we need 4 of these. Okay. Just there's one part, now the next part. Okay, there's one part. Now we need 4 of these. Almost 4 of everything. Oops, sorry, that piece fell off. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Okay, there. Now, we need the tail. Just nice and made a big piece. Okay. Next, we need a purple piece like this one. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna need 2 of these. Like that. Okay, got that first step. Okay, next, we need to complete this pattern with 2 of these. There is one. Okay, next we need this piece, like it says on there, and this one. And we need 2 other pieces. We need these 2 pieces, and then we need 2 more of different ones. So this one and this one. So we're gonna flip them over and put them in like this. There's 1, 2, flip it over. Flip the other side. there. Now, we need to put 2 of these right here. Oops. Sorry. Now, I'm gonna put this purple part right here. I am also gonna put another blue, one of these blue things right here. Sorry if I tilt a little bit. Okay, it's good. Now, we're gonna just put this piece right here. Next, we gotta put 2 of these. Okay, now I'm gonna just put this right here. Wait a second. Got it. Okay. Next page. We need the toes and feet. So we're gonna flip it over. Put 4 of these on feet. Gonna just put this on. The salamander's ready. So I need this piece right here and one of these. So let's put it together quickly. Okay, there. Next, we need some pink parts. We need this pink part right here. And we need 2 of these pink things. Okay, there's a pink tongue. Next, we're gonna put this part. Put that on correctly. Now this is gonna be the mouth. As you can see, it opens like that. So now we're gonna close this and start with the thing. Okay, now we're gonna just build these edges using the nose. There. It's one side. Next, we're gonna use this piece right here. Use these pieces right here. Okay, next we need this piece right here. That's the head. Now we need to add more to that. So we're gonna just put these right here so they match up like that. It's hard doing it with one hand. There, tilt it that way. And then there we go. Now we need to make the bottom jaw. So grab this thing that looks like a seashell. Then we're gonna put 2 of these things. Now we're gonna connect them. Okay, there we go. Does it look more like a gecko? Yep, it does. Now we're gonna make the mixel eyes. So we need 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of those. And finally, 2 of those. So first off, I'm gonna show you how to make the first eye, which they're both made exactly the same. So both of them are like this. Then you flip this over like this. Make sure this part's showing this way. Then we're gonna put this about, we're gonna flip that one, put that one there. Same for this one. Now for the first eye, it goes right here. So make sure it's only on this part. Make sure the pupil's pointing up like that. It should look like this. Make 2 of those. Now you see this little part? We're gonna connect the eyes there. Flip it over like this. So I'm going to show you this next one, since I didn't show you how to do the last one. Make sure the mouth is closed. So then flip it on its side like this. Let me get a good camera view. Hold this back this way. And you see that part right there. So I'm gonna put this one right out there. Sure, it's more like this. So I just took off the eye so it's easier for the camera to see. Now we have the head done. So far, because the head's not done, we need to add one more thing. There. Now it's done. Then we put the head on the gecko. See that part? This part connects like this. There we go. Now we're gonna make the campfire. So this circle, this thing right here, put that circle right there. This one should be quick. Now we need 2 logs. So we're gonna make 2 logs. We need that piece and this piece for that first log. Now, when I said 2 logs, I meant 4 logs. We need 4. Okay. It's a good start. And got that one. And this one. So we need the fire. Then we need these pieces to be attached like this. So you know that longer part? It needs this red thing in it. So you see that cross X? There's a cross X right here. So we're gonna put the X in there. We want this one to look like the other one, so we're gonna put that thing in there. There. Next piece is this stick. Let me put it in a hole. Try it like that. There. Next, we need this one. This one has a cross X, that side has a cross X. Like that. Next, we need to make a marshmallow. Like on there, we need this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part. So let's make this one toasty, because one of them's toasted, one of them's not. We're gonna make 2 marshmallows. One is like all toasty like that. One is not. Like that. So, then we add this brown part that we made to this part. Let's see, we need a toasted one for this one. There, look. Should look like this. And it should have one stick. Should look like that. Now we're gonna make another one, which we already did before the instructions said so. Now we're gonna just put the silver thing in. Gray, whatever color it is. We're gonna put one of these brown things. It should be just like the other one. But that red thing should be covered. Like this. So we're basically making another one. And that's almost should do it. It's not that. It's very simple. So you just needed 2 marshmallows like that, so it can look like this. The gecko, the snowflake, and these right here are just extra pieces. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.